All is well where there is angel. Rise high, like caterpillar to butterfly. Hello all, I am Anvesha Datta. Welcome to all of you to the world of spirituality. I am requesting all of you to maintain peace and harmony, as this is a divinely guided channel. I want to know, how are you all? Do you feel any restrictions regarding your spiritual journey? As I have received Archangel Michael's message that the evil wants to stop your spiritual journey. If something happens to you, like you are feeling fear all of a sudden in the midnight, or you will meet a small accident like slip your feet, or if you feel ill suddenly, don't panic or getting nervous. The evil does not want you to be spiritually awakened. I want to tell you that I am with you always. They can try to harm you, but they will not succeed as I am with you all. They cannot do any harm to any of you. If you need me, just pray to me. There is no particular rules for prayers. You can pray to me whatever way you want. God connects with your heart. So make sure your heart is pure. If you call Him from pure heart, He will help you. He loves you all. But you don't know how to receive God's love and blessings. You give yourself so much priority that you cannot able to feel the one who creates this universe. My dear, there is no other way other than surrendering to God in order to take your soul to the ultimate level. Spirituality is ultimate. You yourself will get to know this when you will start trusting all this. Trust yourself and trust God. God is with you, within you. But you have to make yourself capable of receiving His blessings. Trust is important. It is like a base. If you don't have trust, then my guidance will not help you, as you will find yourself in the middle of your doubtful minds. Now you will ask, how can you remove doubts from your mind? Doubt is okay. You doubt because you don't know, but you want to know. That's why you are here. Close your eyes and sit straight. Don't think anything. Just focus on your forehead, middle of it, where third eye is situated. Now you may think you only see third eye in a picture of God or in an idol. How can you have it? My dear, not only you, but every human being has it. Some knows, some does not. But the persons, those of you know this. Have you ever tried your level best to make it active? No, right? Because whenever you have started thinking like this, you have felt lazy or sleepy or any other thinking have come in your mind. But why so? Spiritual journey is not so easy, but also not so difficult if you know the key to overcome all the hurdles. I am here to guide you all. Let me tell you. First decide, what do you want? If you want to feel the divine, then that's all. Just fix your attention there and don't allow yourself to think any other things. Thousands and thousands thinking may have come in a second. Evil does not want you to proceed in this journey, but you have to in order to know the unknown, to unlock which is locked because you have not opened it yet. Close your eyes, sit straight, and concentrate on your third eye, like the way I have told you. Yes, my dear, this is called meditation. It is simple. Slowly breathe in and breathe out. Don't need to count. Your soul wants to feel the divine. So you don't let your physical body and physical mind interrupt in this process. If you feel pain in your body, remember, no gain without pain. If you feel pain in the place of your third eye, don't get worried. This is normal and good sign in order to get it activated. It will take lots of time to activate it, varies from person to person. But you will start realizing divine from when you will start the meditation. As much as you go deeper level of your mind, you will realize this is a complete different world which was unknown to you till date. I am not telling you to be a monk. No. I want you to know the world, spiritual world. If you can meditate for 5 to 10 minutes at least, whenever you want, obviously in a silent place, you will realize an inner peace after that. You will feel you are more connected than before with this universe. This is because universe is connected to you the way you are connected to the universe. That is the truth which people often ignore. They have no knowledge. Also, they don't want to gain knowledge. Knowledge is something which can make you rich from inside. From outside, we do whatever we think is attracted to others. We all love compliments, showing off. Even we expect praise by helping others. These are all earthly things. Start thinking beyond it. You are much more capable than you think you are. Start this meditation. Then you will see your potential has no limits. Divine is always ready to help you, but you are not ready to take help from them. Let Divine guide you, help you by opening the door for them. The way of the door is trust. Feel it in order to trust. Believe me, you will not regret. Birds, animals, human, trees, whatever you see around you is God's creation. He is everywhere and within everyone. Try to feel His presence. Don't force yourself to find Him. He is already present there. Make yourself capable for feeling His presence. Angels are there to help you always. Have you ever asked their help? Ask help from them when it is needed. Then don't forget to thank them, to pay them gratitude for helping you in your difficult times. Start thanking universe. Have you ever said thank you to the universe? Universe has given you so much, whatever you are today. But you don't even realize the importance of paying universe gratitude. Start doing so. Start thanking the people who is around you and help you, but you don't say them thank you as well. Regardless your post, your status, be humble. Don't be selfish. And don't think yourself superior to others. God has created your life. What if He sent someone else to live your life in your place and sent you to live the lives of the people whom you often neglect by thinking you are superior to them? My child, everything is planned by God. Don't harm others just because you can easily escape by using the power and money. Do you see the real power? That is God. God is Almighty. The way I can show you, but you have to go through your own journey. Don't trust on your physical mind, but trust your soul. Let your soul reach the higher place from where it has come from. Evil does not want you to reach God. They want you to stay far away from us. But I cannot let that happen. I cannot see you suffering, my child. By not choosing the Almighty, your soul cannot reach its destination. As I say in the first video, destination is God, but the process is surrounded by you. As I say earlier, God is with you, within you. I am here to protect you all. Feel free to step forward in this journey. Almighty is calling you. Go ahead. That's all for today. See you all to my next video. Till then, take care. Stay healthy. Be happy. God loves you all. Archangel Michael loves you all.